Sa magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat, mga minamahal ko San Juanenyo. Ito po niyo yung Code Mayor Francis Zamora at nandito po tayo ngayon sa Conrad Hotel para po sa ating DALG Neo Plus program. Ito po ay isang programa para po sa mga newly elected officials at ang makikilahok po ngayon ay ang ating mga NCR mayors at vice mayors at ang programang ito po ay pangungunahan po ng DALG. At ngayong araw din po ay makakasama natin si DLG Secretary John Vic Remulla. Kaya samahan niyo po ako sa unang bahagi ng araw nito.
The National Capital Region, in solidarity with the Department of the Interior and Local Government and the Local Government Academy, hereby affirm our commitment to the goals of the 2025 newly elected officials, performing leadership for uplifting service program. Guided by the principles of inclusive, accountable, and responsive governance. Number one, we pledge to foster both interlocal and intra-LGU collaboration by working collectively across local governments and strengthening partnerships between mayors and vice mayors in addressing shared urban challenges, particularly in disaster risk reduction, flood control, traffic congestion, and road regulation, and waste management. With this pledge, we commit our full cooperation, resources,